Hey everyone. Okay, so this is not a final walkthrough of Lakes End here in Sierra Lakes, but I just wanted to show you that we have got the kitchen cabinets that we'll be installing very soon. Let me show you here. We got our landscaping, exterior paint. We have the dual pane windows. I'm gonna flip my camera. Okay, one sec. Deck is looking good. We redid the deck, recarpeted the deck. Looking nice, looking nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the perspective of walking in from the front entrance. Let's see here. Oh, looks good, huh? We're coming along. Things are coming along nicely. Pretty good, pretty good. Large closets. I think they're doing some work in here. So we're changing out these the vanities here with that cabinetry that you saw. So we're just gonna change out that vanity, put a new granite on top, new slab of granite. Don't you love how the cottage sort of wood look throughout this mobile is? Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool with the matching the wood beams and as well having this accent wall. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're entering the master. Really hard to see the colors in here. Clearly I don't have my usual videographer with me, but I'm just trying to give you an idea. Okay, master bath. Still quite a bit of work in here that needs to be done. I mean, this bathtub looks great. You know? This vanity is going to be changed out with the cabinetry that we have outside, and then again that accent wall matching those throughout the home, giving it a real nice cottage feel. And then we have a shower over here. Okay, so that's just a almost done renovation update. Okay, I'll show you final photos. Bye.